your tour guide for today, and we are going to explore a new
Oh my god, so hot, Happy, so hot. What are you doing?
Isn't it obvious? Doing intro lah, huh?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry for the interruption. And now we are at the Bintang Utama MRT station, which is just a few minutes walking distance from One Utama and also a few stations away from...
No need to do all this intro, we got not enough time. Let's go. Just one MRT stop away from the new development project site, we have now arrived at the famous shopping street of Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Bukit Bintang.
For information, the new development project site closest to MRT is just less than 5 minutes walk. Can we go now?
Yes, want to know more? Follow us.
Less than 5 minutes walk, we are here in Pavilion KL.
Yes, that's because I stopped you from walking into all the other shopping malls.
Here we are.
Yes, we are now at Pavilion Kuala Lumpur.
Can I go shopping now, please?
No, we
Why?
still have other sites to see. We don't have enough time.
Where are we heading to?
We are going to Malaysia's most iconic building,
Which is?
KLCC Twin Towers, which is only walking distance from Pavilion.
Right now, we are at the KLCC.
What's wrong with you?
I'm going to faint. I cannot walk already.
Okay, well, do you know that we are now at the KLCC Twin Tower, which is also located along Jalan Ampang,
Okay.
which is also one of the famous business hubs in Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
As you can see, all the corporate towers and all the offices are located around this area.
Yeah, I can see. Marvin, can we stop walking? I really cannot walk already.
You cannot walk, then how? Fly?
Can we fly?
No, we can't fly, we have to walk.
I'm going to faint already.
Let's go. Tell you what,
What?
don't faint. Come. Well, Happy, if you want to faint, you can faint here right now because we are standing right in front of Prince Court Medical Centre,
Oh, wow.
which is also 5 minutes walking distance from our new development project site. Wait. On top of that, our new development project site is also located very near a lot of embassies.
Can we do the thing again?
What thing you want to do?
The jump one?
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
You take us to our next site.
Okay.
In 1, 2...
Hey! Oh my god! Wow, in just less than 5 minutes walk from the new development project site, we are now here at the interchange station of MRT1 and MRT2. Marvin? Oh my god! Marvin! Why are you here?
It's because you jumped without me.
Sorry, I got excited. Shall we do it again?
Yes.
Okay, come.
Okay.
One.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. 1,
2, 3.
Yes, we are here. Shall we?
Let's go.
Hey, let's go Kajang direction first.
Okay. Come. Happy?
Yes?
Do you know just one stop away from the new development project site, we will arrive at Cochrane?
Oh yeah, so
And
near.
Cochrane Station is
Yeah.
nearby to My Town, which is behind us.
Oh my god, so near.
And from My Town is
Yes.
only walking distance to Sunway Velocity Mall.
Where is it?
Sunway Velocity Mall. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Let's go!
Yeah, let's go.
Well, arrive at Sunway Velocity Mall, walking distance from Cochrane Station.
Or alternatively, you can come here by getting off at Maluri MRT station. Marvin,
Yes?
let's go KL Central.
Really? Isn't that
Yeah.
very far?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
4 stations away from the new development site and you can reach KL Central in 20 minutes.
Wow, that's actually very near.
Yes.
And did you know it's actually 5 stops away from the KL Central to where we were earlier, which is Bukit Bintang Lot 10?
And KTM, LRT, monorail and more for you to get to your destination with ease.
Wow, happy, let's go!
Let's go! Other than Wahudamla, My Town, IKEA, Velocity Mall and KL Central, there are so much more places you can go with the MRT.
Yes, that's right, Happy, such as Kota Damansara, Sungai Buloh, Hajang, Taman Konot, Bandar Tun Hussein On, and many more.
Wow!
So, ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? To find out more?
Hey, please lah, we haven't done our tour yet.
Not yet, meh?
Yeah.
So late already, whoa. Where else can we go?
A place where you go at night. Yeah, here we are.
Wow,
One of the
wow.
famous nightlife area in Malaysia. Track KL is just 10 minutes away from the new development project site.
Wow.
And also Royal Selangor Golf Club is just right next door.
Happy, don't forget, another happening area, which is Changkat Bukit Bintang, is also 10 minutes away from the new project development site.
Awesome! Shall we?
Shall
go
we?
there? Yes, jom.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? Register now to know more about our new development project site. Cheers!